OnePlus's CEO Pete Lau was speaking at the Mobile World Congress in Shanghai, and he might have dropped some important details for the next year's OnePlus 7. Mr. Lau clarified the company's plans in a one-on-one with PC Mag. According to him, OnePlus will bring 5G internet connectivity to the OnePlus 7 next year. 5G allows users to achieve 20 GB per second downloads, 1 millisecond latency, and 1 million devices SQ kilometers. Of course, these speeds will be split between users of the same cell, so don't get your hopes up too much. OnePlus's close relationship with San Diego chip giant Qualcomm will help the company in this regard, allowing it to become one of the first manufacturers to launch a smartphone capable of supporting 5G, believes Mr. Lau. Of course, if and when OnePlus does make it US carriers, the important issue of bloatware comes up. Featuring bloatware on the OnePlus 7 will stand against the company's principles of smooth performance, and therefore OnePlus will ensure that no such applications are present on its device. Of course, this will naturally affect negotiations with carriers and is likely to cost OnePlus in revenue terms. It will also be easy for OnePlus to pull off, as the company has recently started to launch its gadgets with European carriers as well. As far as specifications go, the OnePlus 7 should feature Qualcomm's next Snapdragon processor with at least 6 GB of RAM. The company will also make camera upgrades, since photography is a very hot feature in the market. Thoughts? Let us know what you think in the comments section below and stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on the latest.